Hi guys, welcome to Corporate Life channel. It's Irene here today, and today I want to talk to you about BPA, but not in the can lining or anywhere else, not about plastic. I want to talk to you about BPA in receipts. Well, it might sound as a surprise, but those electronic receipts that we get in the store, they are made on thermal paper, and that paper contains BPA. The main problem is that when you touch a receipt, the BPA can be rubbed off, and then you can ingest it orally, or it could be absorbed through your skin. So this is actually one of the most surprising ways of getting BPA inside our bodies, the unfortunate one. And there are a few solutions that I want to share with you. And first of all, I just want to alert you. So sometimes right now in the store they ask you whether do you want a receipt or you want it to be emailed. So I would suggest it be emailed, so you don't even touch that. At first, BPA was a new thing, right? Probably that's why it was being used so widely everywhere. There has been 30 years of studies, and now they link BPA with a lot of serious problems: brain, behavioral, learning, memory impairment, diabetes, obesity, even cardiovascular abnormalities, breast and prostate cancer, thyroid and sex hormone disruption. Also bad for fertility. It brings changes to egg and sperm development, might cause early puberty, and even genetic alterations that could be passed on to future generations. I mean, that sounds extremely serious. I would say the first concern is always the elderly, the children, and the pregnant women. So if you're pregnant, you're planning to conceive, stay away from the receipts. Kids actually like to touch receipts, right? They feel this is kind of important part of the shopping routine. Do not let them touch it. Explain why it shouldn't be done, and don't touch it. What's really surprising here is that despite all the risks, right, complications that I've just listed, this BPA-laden thermal paper is still used widely, almost in every store we go to. It exposes us to this dangerous chemical, and we have to do something about it. And just the way it works, if we take a receipt, I'm not going to take one right now, right? It contains this powdery form of BPA. This is how easily it could be taken off its surface, be on your hands, and then, whatever gets it. Because when you're in the store and you touch a receipt, you actually don't have a chance to wash your hands immediately. So the best bet is not to touch it at all. And here are a few things that you need to know, right? We need to do. And you could share it with your friends, neighbors, pretty much everyone. So first of all, do not touch the receipts if there is such possibility. Very often in the stores, the receipt is put right in the bag, and then you could wear a glove or take another bag or something, wear a paper towel where you can take it out and not touch it. Don't let your skin touch it. Obviously, don't let your children touch it, and explain to them why. They will surely understand. Now, when there is such an option, choose email or electronic receipt. Another thing is, I know sometimes we do need to keep the receipts. We need to save them for various reasons. Now, in this case, handle them in gloves from now on, and all the receipts, they need to be stored in an envelope, let's say a Ziploc bag. Absolutely. If you had to touch a receipt, like you've been handling receipts, wash your hands right after, especially if you're going to prepare any food or eat something. This type of receipts, they don't need to be recycled. You throw them in the trash. A thought that might have crossed your mind: if I'm in the store, I touch the receipt, then I'm going to use a sanitizer, so the alcohol-based products. No. They will only increase the absorption of BPA through your skin. So don't use that. If you have a chance to wash your hands, do so. Now, another question: if you're a cashier or you're a person who's handling receipts on a daily basis, I would say there are only two options for you. You could either start wearing gloves, or if that is not an option for you, I would say go wash your hands frequently throughout the day, and obviously try not to touch your face with it, and don't eat any food. Be careful when you drink, so all that things. It's not a joke, it's a serious thing, it's a dangerous chemical, and we do need to take steps right away, start doing that. Another thing I need to say is that BPA is a very important topic for me. I might make another video about just BPA and also BPS, because a lot of companies, they stopped using BPA because it's been found to be so dangerous, and they started using BPS. But unfortunately, BPS is not better than BPA. It's still being found in human urine, detectable there, and it causes almost the same potential risks, same as the BPA. So it's not a solution. So don't okay, it's not BPA, it's BPS. No, it's not. It's better to just stay away from these things completely until, well, maybe more serious things are done by some proper organizations, hopefully. So this is it, guys. So just share it with everyone you know. It's very important. Receipts are in our life almost on a daily basis. Stay healthy, stay safe. We have to think for our health. For health of the future generations, right? In this case, especially our kids right now. So I hope this information has been useful for you. You will use it, and remember to use it. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.